In 99 Nights in the Forest, there are missing kids you need to find and rescue. To start, head to the quest board in the main cap. That's where you'll find the missing kids mission. Once the quest is active, use your map and look for clues scattered in random cabins or deeper in the forest. Sometimes you'll hear crying sounds. Follow those carefully. Some kids are hidden behind breakable walls or black paths, so bring a tool or axe to clear the way. Check under beds, inside closet, and even behind furniture. Some are well hidden. After you find a kid, escort them back safely to the camp. Make sure you avoid monster and don't let your stamina run out. Each rescued kid rewards you with XP, rare items, or story progress. Keep doing this until you rescue all of them. That's how you complete the mission 100%. So good luck and stay safe in the forest.